This drawing is so cute, and it's super easy to follow. When a hedgehog feels scared, it curls up into a tight ball so its spines stick out everywhere, like a little armored ball. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple and fun drawing ideas. Hedgehogs are nocturnal, which means they sleep during the day and wake up at night to explore and find food. I love how simple this drawing is. Anyone can do it. Hedgehogs love to munch on bugs, worms, and even some fruits. In gardens, they help keep the bug population under control. Wow! Isn't it amazing how this drawing comes together step by step? Each step makes this drawing even more adorable. Don't you agree? Feel free to pick any colors you love and make it uniquely yours. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hey, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss out on new adorable drawings. If you enjoyed drawing with me today, please give this video a big thumbs up. Your support means so much and helps me create more fun and easy tutorials. Thanks so much for watching.